Hello students, I am back with new chapter in English grammar, that is chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Helping Verbs and Linking Verbs. Before starting the chapter, I would like to request you all to open your grammar books because during explanation it will become easy for you all to understand the topic nicely. Children, before telling you about helping verbs and linking verbs, you all should know about verb. A verb is a doing word that shows an action, an event, or a state. A sentence may either have a main verb, a helping verb, or both. In this chapter, we'll study about helping verbs and linking verbs. A linking verb is a verb that does not show action. Instead, it connects subject to other parts of the sentence. In other words, we can say that a linking verb links or connects the subject to its qualities or state of being mentioned in the predicate. It does not show any action. A linking verb also gives information on the state or condition of the subject. Some commonly used linking verbs are am, is, are, was, were, has been, have been, had been. Let us consider this sentence. Christine is a good singer. In this sentence, linking verb is connects the subject Christine to the phrase a good singer. Let us see another example. Miss Gonzalez was my first grade teacher. The linking verb was gives the information my first grade teacher on the state of the subject Miss Gonzalez. Let's see one more example. The children have been very attentive. The linking verb have been connects the subject children to the phrase that describes them very attentive. Now let us talk about helping verb. A helping verb is a verb that helps the main verb in the sentence by extending or clarifying its meaning. In other words, we can say that a helping verb helps the main verb to indicate the time of an action. It also extends the meaning of the main verb in a sentence. A helping verb is placed before the main verb. Some commonly used helping verbs are am, is, are, was, were, has been, have been, had been. Let us consider this sentence. I am practicing for the dance contest. In the simple sentence, the helping verb am is placed before the main verb practicing. This helping verb am tells us that action is in the present tense or is currently happening. Let's see another example. The residents were cleaning the park when it started to rain. The helping verb were helps the main action verb cleaning in a sentence. It tells that action is in the past continuous tense. Let us see one more example. She had been working all day when her mom arrived. In this sentence, the helping verb had been helps the main verb working. Helping verb versus linking verb. I am a teacher. Here am is linking verb, noun, teacher. He is ill. Is linking verb, ill adjective. Ravi is good singer. Is linking verb, good adjective. She is making dinner for us now. Is helping verb, making main verb. Second, the children are playing in the park. Are helping verb, playing main verb. Now students, it's time for an activity. You have to do this activity in your rough copy. In this activity, you have to circle the verbs, then label the type of verb. A means action or L means linking. First one has already done for you. Second, my mom looks beautiful. Third, Michael is a lawyer. Fourth, my parents are American. Fifth, the boy and his friends played soccer at recess. Sixth, Leslie and Brian bought a car for their daughter. Seventh, the pizza tastes spicy. Eighth, Ian forgot to shut the door. 9. The teacher instructs the students about the rules. 10th, my favorite shirt is green and silky. 11th, the television and the radio are broken. 12th, Kelly made a cake for Allison's birthday. I hope children you all have understood this chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.